Hi guys, well today I'm going to be working on my 2016 Kia Soul. I'm going to change the air filter, which is really easy to do. If you're not doing it yourself, you're spending too much money to have it done for you. If you go to one of these oil change places, they're going to charge you an arm and a leg for an air filter that you can do yourself really cheap. It's sort of like going to a movie theater and paying for the popcorn. They charge you what, 12 bucks, 15 bucks now for popcorn? Well, if you do it yourself, you'll save some money. So watch this video. Okay, the first thing you want to do is you want to pop your hood. Now we're going to take out this black box here. This is where our air filter's in. To the left side here, we've got two 10mm screws we're going to unscrew. One is for this air duct tube, and on the bottom here there's a 10mm screw that we're going to have to remove so we can start to take our box out. Okay, what I have here is a 3/8 ratchet, a 3/8 extension, and a 10mm socket. Like I said, doing this job requires very little tools. Okay, let's loosen up this screw so we can take this air intake hose out of the way. Okay, let's pull it apart. And now let's go to the bottom and take out that 10mm bolt. Okay, as you can see here, I removed that bolt. Now we're going to go on the other side of this box and unsnap two latches. You could do this with your fingers. There's one here. And there's one here. You can see how I unsnap them. Once you have them unsnapped, go ahead and pull up on the box to remove it. Once you've removed it, you can see the air filter. Go ahead and take the air filter and pull up on it. It comes out really easy. It's not snapped in or anything. Just go ahead and remove it and set it aside. As you can see in this tray where the filter sits in, it's dirty and dusty. If you can, get a vacuum and vacuum it out, or just dust it out with a rag or brush. If you don't clean it, it'll eventually clog up your new filter that you're going to put in, so you want it nice and clean. Okay, now it's time to install the filter. I'm using Wix. It's got a 1-year warranty on it, and it's a synthetic filter media. Here's the product description in case you're curious. Wix Premium Panel Air Filters provide excellent engine protection for normal and severe driving conditions, such as stop-and-go traffic, dirt roads, construction sites, short trips, and interstate travel. Wix filters are recommended for original equipment air filter change intervals. These filters contain 30% more media than the original equipment filters and use a phonetic resin-treated enhanced cellulose media, which helps provide excellent drivability against moisture ingestion. When applicable, the high-tear string polyurethane seal survives extreme hot and cold temperature conditions. That's for you technical geeks. Okay, with that said, now we can go ahead and put our new air filter in, with the fins facing downward. Now let's install the top part of the air filter compartment. I'm going to plug it into the hose there on the side. Snap into two clips on the side. Then go ahead and tighten up the 10mm bolt that connects the hose to the top part of the filter. Now go ahead and put your last 10mm bolt on the bottom there and tighten it up. So when tightening this bolt, remember you're screwing into aluminum, so don't tighten it too tight. Just get it snug and you're good to go. Well, it looks like we're all done. See, it wasn't that hard after all, and you saved some money. Okay, well I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye.